Guys, today I'm just gonna show you guys what I use for my frittata. This is my sweet pepper, both red and yellow. This is like tatache, it's a long sweet one. You know, this is my tomatoes. That is my chopped tomatoes and my fresh thyme. Can you see my fresh thyme in there? That is my spring onions and fresh little bit of fresh thyme in there to go with this frittata. And that is my red onions. You can use white onions. It's optional, it's your choice. The onions you prefer, but I prefer red one. And those are my spices. I'm gonna be putting it in there. Curry powder, garlic, ginger powder, mixed herbs, and Maggi, and black pepper, and my butter to rub on the frying pan, and my carrot cooking oil, and my plantain, my ripe plantain. Can you see them? Looking fresh, very fresh. Fresh and healthy. Healthy plantain for my frittata. And that is my egg sitting in the egg container. That is my eggs. Okay, guys. So let's crack on and start the cooking. My plantain frittata. Okay. So, guys, this is how you peel the plantain. You cut it in a round shape. Go like this. So you go like this. I'm going to put the plantain, inside the fryer, air fryer. You can fry it with oil on the fry pan if you don't have air fryer, but air fryer is more like healthy version. Okay, guys, so that is the air fryer. You're gonna go in there. It's a bit dark in there. So the air fryer, gonna go in the air fryer. Okay. the tomato sauce I fried now. You saw me, so I tip it inside this egg, mix everything together. Okay, guys. Guys, this is the plantain cooked from the air fryer. More is still coming. Look at it from the air fryer. Guys, that is the frittata. It's ready to be served. Can you see it? You see the color? Still cooking in the fire on a very low heat, you know.